Alright, this is Luke Bryan's Rain is a Good Thing. My daddy spent his life looking up at the sky. He does kick the dust, saying sun is way too dry. Clouds up in the city, the weatherman complains. But where I come from, rain's a good thing. Rain makes corn, corn makes whiskey, whiskey makes my baby feel a little frisky. The back roads all bogging up, my buddies pile up in my truck. We hunt our honeys down, we take them into town, start washing all our worries down the drain. Rain is a good thing. Rain is a good thing. Ain't nothing like a kiss out back in the barn, wringing out our soaking clothes, riding out a thunderstorm. Tin roof gets the talking, it's the best of love we made. Yeah, where I come from, rain is a good thing. Rain makes corn, corn makes whiskey, whiskey makes my baby feel a little frisky. The back roads are bogging up, my buddies pile up in my truck. We hunt our honeys down, we take them into town, start washing all our worries down the drain. Rain is a good thing. Rain is a good thing. Farmer Johnson does a little dance, quakes on the rise, roll up your pants. Country girls, they wanna cuddle, kids are playing in a big mud puddle. Rain makes corn, corn makes whiskey, whiskey makes my baby feel a little frisky. The back roads are bogging up, my buddies pile up in my truck. We hunt our honeys down,